How to unsend message on Signal. Are you guys facing issues to unsend a message on Signal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To unsend a message on Signal, open the application and log in into your account with your registered email and password. Once you get logged in, go to the chat where you send the message. Find the message you want to remove and tap and hold on it. At the top, tap the trash bin icon if the message was sent recently. You'll see two options: delete for me or delete for everyone. Tap delete for everyone to unsend the message from both sides. This will only work within a limited time window, so act quickly. Once unsent, the message will disappear, and so you deleted this message in the chat. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other guides on this channel. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna unsend message on Signal app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.